Hey, what's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. It is freezing up here in Connecticut. I just got this package in the mail. I couldn't use a bigger box than this. I'll show you guys what it is. Of course, it's going to be for the computer. So let's dive right into it. That is what I got. It's from Corsair. It's the headset stand. It has RGB lighting. Has two USB ports. Premium build quality. RGB LED lighting. Dynamic RGB lighting across 9 zones allows for virtually unlimited color options. That's cool. You get the 7.1 surround sound. Enable 7.1 virtual surround sound on any 3.5mm headset for an immersive audio experience. Dual USB 3.1 inputs. Improved power and faster data speeds than standard USB inputs. Durable aluminum construction and iconic design combined to create the ultimate display for your headset. So this is, I think, a $70 product I just bought. I think Sunday or Monday. And I got it today, which is on a Wednesday. So I am stoked to get into this and hook this up. And you run everything through their CUE program, the Q program, IQ or whatever it's called. So let's see how to open this. Some tape here. Oh my God. There you go. Let me see if I can open the blind. I don't know if that's any better or not. There's nothing else in the box. So this is what the stand looks like. Get your pamphlets here. Double bagged it, huh? Let's see, what is this? Oh, I get the USB cord and power connector, I guess. USB. Get your book. It's quite a thick book. It's all in different languages, that's why, so you get English amongst everything else. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. It is heavy and it's free. It's cold to the touch. That's one. That's two. I know this is a little bit dark, but there's rubber padding at the bottom, so it won't move on you. I mean, it's giving me some resistance right now, just pushing it. And up here, that's where the headset's gonna sit. I don't know if you can see that. Right there's a USB. Another one right there. And another one should have been here. It really should have. I would have liked to have seen maybe like one of those wireless chargers like you have for your cell phones nowadays. So when you put your headset on this headset holder, it charges the headset. But they didn't think of it, I guess. Unless it's hard to do or make or whatever. But this is not bad. That's where you hook up the power. So I'm gonna head over to the PC, plug this in, and let's see what this puppy can do. Hey, what's up, guys? It is Friday. I received my headset, Corsair headset stand 2 days ago, and while trying to upgrade the firmware, it would just hang. And unfortunately, I disconnected the USB, or I did something where it would not update at all. It would keep going in circle and circle and circle with the firmware update, and it would never stop. So I sent that back to Amazon. I printed out a ticket, dropped it off at Kohl's, and Kohl's took care of it for me. So I received my new headset stand earlier this afternoon, and I'm about to plug this in, and I'm sure it's going to tell me I need an update again, which is fine. But this is 2 days ago that I got this brand new stand that didn't really work. Probably operator ever me, which is whatever, it's fine. So wish me good luck. I'll plug this in. Alright, the stand's plugged in. The RGB is going everywhere. It looks nice. Let's see. I gotta go to IQ. Ah. Nice. Oop, wrong one. See, last time when I got my stand 2 days ago, it told me, I always check if I need an update, but I clicked this. Oh, it's already updated. That's good. I guess the last one wasn't updated. So that saves me a lot of headache. So that works. I should have done that. Here's all the lighting effects you could change. Rainbow. That's what it looks like. And of course, you go through IQ and you can change all the RGB. The USB, I don't know if you can see that USB on top. There's one on the side. And like I said, there should have been one on this side. And it would have been nice if they included like a chargeable port up here. Like one of those where you just lay down. It's like when you lay down your cell phone and it charges wirelessly. That's what they should have had up there. But here's the headset. Looks nice. I like the RGB on the head cups too, the cups, but you don't even see them. So I could have taken or leaving the RGB on both sides, but that's just me. But at least it spruces up my desk. Today I got my gaming chair. Just did a video on it, editing the video right now, and I'm gonna see how comfortable this is. I got this from the GT Racing website, so this pretty much completes my whole computer desk type thing. I might get myself a small lamp to go in the corner, but I might not because I got the TV right here that's bright enough, and I got my light. So that's it, guys. This is what it looks like. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and I'll catch you guys later.